Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself, Alok, your moral science teacher, and I would like to welcome you in this moral science class. Dear students, in today's class, we are going to start lesson number 5. Prefer your brother. So, here we are going to start. So, here it is given that first the lesson that in the last class we have studied that Musunda and Rose both are talking at night on the bed. Okay, and then Musunda, she is thinking about her talents. What are her talents? Then she start thinking about his brother Godwin. Okay, that what he would be doing for his future and all the things. And after that, in this chapter, we are going to study. So here it is given the next morning, Musunda and Rose want to go walking together. What happened? That next morning, Musunda and Rose both want to go for walking together. Okay. So, but first they help Mrs. Mulenga clean the house before going to the for walk. What they are doing, Rose and Musunda, they are helping Mrs. Mulenga to clean the house. As they are hanging some clothes to dry, as the Musunda and Rose, they are hanging some clothes to dry. Rose sings a song. Rose sings a song. It is a beautiful song about thinking of the need of other, and that song which Rose is singing, that is the song about needs of other people. It is a beautiful song, and it is talked about the needs of other people. Okay, they do their work quickly, and before it is too hot, they leave the house. What is happening? Both the girls, they are doing their work very quickly, and before it is too hot, that sun shines, it becomes too hot, they leave the house. They walk a long distance, sometimes talking and sometimes silence. Both the girls, they are walking to a long distance. Okay, sometimes they are talking, sometimes silently they are walking. Why do you think some of the kids in the village fight so much? Musunda asks Rose. Musunda is asking Rose that, Rose, what do you think? Why some of the children, why some of the kids in the village, they fight too much? Then what is happening? Rose, she is replying, I don't know. I don't know exactly why they fight. But it's not just kids. She is saying that it's not just the kids. Not only kids are not fighting. Look at all the people fighting and going to war with each other. Even the elders are also fighting. You can see that some elders are also fighting. Okay, and going war with each other. In my youth group, I learned this quote. In my youth group, what happened? I learned this quotation, that you were created to show love one to another. Means we all are created to love to each other, not to hate each other. Okay, God has created us to love to each other. So we are created only to love each other. Yes, says Musunda. Musunda is saying yes, yes, says Musunda. And the song you were singing this morning said that we should ever prefer others to ourselves. And the song which you are singing in the morning, that song is telling that we should prefer others before ourselves. Then Rose is replying, that comes from the another quote, blessed is he who prefereth his brother before himself, says Rose. Rose is saying that song which I was singing, okay, that song, it came from another quotation, that is the blessed is he who prefereth his brother before himself. Means the person is blessed who is preferring his brother, means giving preference, okay, to him before himself. That person is blessed. Okay, that person is getting blessing from God. Then what happened? There is silence for a while. After for some time there was a silence, and then Musunda says, you know, that is true. If I preferred my brother to myself and my brother preferred me over himself, things would work well. Musonda is saying, first there was a silence for a while, and then Musonda is saying that you know that is true, whatever you are saying that is true. If I prefer my brother to myself, and my brother will also prefer me over himself, things would work well, everything will run go smoothly, there will be no problem. All of sudden Musonda begins to laugh. Suddenly what happened? Musonda begins to laugh. Why she laughs? So why are you laughing? Ask Rose. Rose is asking that why are you laughing? Then I was, Musonda is replying, I was thinking of look of Godwin's face. Which Godwin? Brother of Musonda. Musonda is saying that I was thinking of the look of Godwin's face. Answer Musonda. If I told my brother Godwin, my dear brother, I prefer you over myself. So what will be the reaction of Godwin? About that she is thinking and laughing. That would be silly, says Rose. Rose is saying that would be silly. Maybe we should talk about these things at dinner tonight. So she is saying, Rose is saying that maybe tonight, that when we will have dinner, that time we should talk about this. And who knows, we may bring up the subject of confirmation. And while talking these things, who knows that subject of confirmation will also come. Okay, so this is the lesson. Okay, now we are going to do the question and answer of this lesson. So here first question it is given, what do Rose and Musonda do before they go walking? The answer is Rose and Musonda help Mrs. Mulenga to clean the house before they go walking. Next question number 2, what does Rose do while she is hanging the clothes to dry? The answer is Rose sings a song while she is hanging the clothes to dry. Question number 3, what is Rose's song about? Rose's song is about thinking of the needs of others. Question number 4, what does Musonda ask Rose while they are walking? The answer is, while Musonda and Rose are walking, Musonda asks Rose, why do you think some of the kids in the village fight so much? Question number 5, how does Rose respond to Musonda? The answer is, Rose responds to Musonda that it's not just kids, elders also fight. Question number 6, what quotation did Rose learn in her youth group? The answer is, Rose learned a quotation in her youth group, that is, we were created to show love to one another. Question number 7, what quotation did the song come from? The answer is, the song came from a quotation, blessed is he who prefereth his brother before himself. Question number 8. Question number 8 it is given, what does Musonda think would happen if she preferred her brother over herself and he preferred her? The answer is, Musonda thinks things would work well if she preferred her brother over herself and he preferred her. Question number 9, why does Musonda begin to laugh? The answer is, Musonda begins to laugh because she was thinking of the look on Godwin's face. Okay, so like that we have completed the question answer. Now activity 3. So here activity 3 it is given. Now your tutor will read the exercises below and ask you to circle the answer. So first one it is given, after Rose tells Musonda the quotation, there is silence for a while. This means that Rose and Musonda do not talk for a few hours. Rose and Musonda do not talk for a minute or two. Rose and Musonda do not talk for 2 seconds. So right answer will be B. So what you need to do, you have to circle the B one. Now next one, second, to bring up the subject means, what is the meaning of to bring up subject? To mention something, to explain something, to think about something. Okay, to bring up the subject means to mention something. So A1 will be the right answer, to bring up The subject means to mention something. Okay, A1 will be the right answer. Okay. Now activity 4. After 3, activity 4 is there. In activity 4, what are you going to do? Your tutor will ask the class to make sentences with each of the words below. Here some words are there. 10 words are there. Using these 10 words, what are you going to do? You are going to make one sentence from each word. Okay. So first word is prefer. So you will make one sentence from prefer. Okay. I would like to prefer a cup of tea. Create. So you will make one sentence from create. Okay. I am going to create a PowerPoint presentation. Beautiful. One sentence you will make from beautiful. That garden is so beautiful. Quickly. Okay. You will make one sentence from quickly. Okay. The rabbit runs very quickly. Or other sentence also you can make. Fight. You will make one sentence from fight. That we should not fight with ourselves, among ourselves. Clothes. You will make one sentence from clothes. We wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat and cold. Silence. Okay, there is a silence. There must be a silence in the classroom. Sudden. Sudden means suddenly. Sudden the wind starts blowing. Sudden the wind starts blowing. War. War means fight. Okay. So you will make one sentence from war. The first world war was happened. The date you will say. Distance. One sentence from distance you will make. Okay. My school is very far distance from my house. Like that you can make sentences. Now the next activity, it is there to fill in the blanks with the given sentence, so that you will do yourself. Now the next activity, it is a song. Okay, next activity, it is a song. So here, that which song is given in your that book, that same song here it is there in audio form. Because I don't have a very good tune to teach you the song, because of that I have taken an audio clip of the song which is given in your book, activity number 6, Prefer Your Brother. So that song I am going to play. So please listen it carefully and learn the tune, and so you will learn this song. Okay. Prefer Your Brother. This is the song.
So I offer him the water that will quench his thirst. It is a blessing to prefer your brother. This is a way to show you care. It is a blessing to prefer your sister. You are richer the more you share.
This is the song. So all of you will learn this song very nicely. Okay. Now the next activity, activity number 7. What is the activity number 7? It is given activity number 7. Memorize the following quotation after you have discussed the quotation below with your friend. What it is the quotation it is given? You were created to show love to one another. Okay. It is in this quotation it is said to us that we all are created to show love to one another. So we should not hate with anyone. because God has created us to love each other, not to hate. Okay, here first one it is given, what were we created to sow? So answer will be that we were created to sow love one another, love one to another. Okay, to whom should we love? We should love everyone. Okay, so like that you will complete this activity 7 and learn this quotation. Now the home assignment, complete the question and answer of lesson 5 in your book and learn nicely. Complete activity 3, 5 and 7 of lesson 5 in your book. Complete activity 4 of lesson 5 in your copy. You have to make sentences. Learn songs and quotation from lesson 5, of lesson 5. By mistake it is there, it should be off. Okay, learn song and quotation of lesson 5. Okay, thank you students. That is all for today's class. Thank you everyone.